Today I am going to start the solution video of exercise 1.2. In this exercise, I will tell the solutions of each and every question of exercise 1.2 and I will tell what the answer should be written. Okay, the answer should be written on the bracket, the underline should be there. If the question is saying that verify, then we have to write answer as a verified. Okay, if the question is saying explain, then we have to write the answer as a explained. Okay, if the question is saying the check, then we have to write answer as a checked. Okay, if the question is saying that find, then we should write the answer. If the question is saying to prove, then we should write answer as a proved. Okay everyone, I want to tell you everyone that I have done the rough for you all. Okay, so check my rough also. Okay, so let's start the solution video. Let's see the solution of exercise 1.2. See the question number 1. The question number 1 is saying that express each number as product of its prime factors. See one number. Here is given 140. That means you have to find out the factor of 140. I have done rough for you all. Okay. Here is I have find out the factor of 140. The 140 will divided by 2, then again 2, then 5 and 7 I have got on the last. Okay. One thing you have to learn whenever you are finding the factorization, you have to start with the lowest number. Okay. Let's see the second number, the solution I have done for you. You can take the screenshot of this question. Let's see the question number 3. I have done the solution of 3 number also. Let's see the 4 number also. I have done the solution of 4 number also. Okay. If you will see 5 number, that is 7429 and it will divided by 17. Okay, it will not divided by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. It will directly divided by 17. And okay, and if you will divide 7429 with 17, then you will get 437, and 437 will directly divided by 19 into 23 times. Okay, so the factorization of 7429 is 17 into 19 into 23. Okay, if you will see the question number 2, find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of the integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. Then let's see the question number 1, 26 and 91. You have to find out the LCM of 26 and 91. If you will find out the prime factorization of 26, then you will get 2 into 13, and if you will find out the prime factorization of 91, then you will get 7 into 13. Then if you will find out the LCM, then it will happen 2 into 7 into 13. If you will multiply 2 into 30 into 7, then you will get 182. If you don't know to find out the LCM and HCF, I have made one more video. Now we have to verify. Okay, for the verification, what the thing you have to do, you have to use the formula. Okay, the formula is product of the two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. The product of two number, that means the first number is 26 and the second number is 91, and the LCM we have, that is 182, and HCF is 13. So if you multiply 26 into 19, then you will get 2366, and if you multiply 182 into 13, then you will get what? 2366. So LHS is equal to RHS. So we have to write here verified. Okay, let's see the all numbers. The second number is 510 and 92. It is also same. I have done the solution. You can take the screenshot. Okay, take the screenshot of verify. See the 3 number. I have done the solution of 3 number also. The LCM is I have find out, and the HCF also I have find out. You can take the screenshot also. This is the same method what I have told. in one number. Okay, the verify part also I have done. You can take the screenshot and do study. Okay, if you have any problem, and then write the comment on comment box. Okay, let's see the 3 number. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. That means we have to find out the LCM or HCF. See the one number 12, 15, 21. That means we have to find out the prime factor of 12 first of all, 15, then 21. Now we have to find out the LCM. So we have to see the common number. LCM means what? Lowest common multiples. Okay, so 2 is here. Okay, and 2 is here, that is 2 square we can write. Okay, 2 square into 3 we can write now. So we can take the 2 square and 3 is left. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3 is matching now. So 3 we will take, and 5 and 7 are left. So 5, 7 I have written. Okay, so 2 to the square, that is 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7, then we will get what? 420. Okay, now if you will see the HCF, that means what? Highest common factor. Okay, if you will see highest common factor, that is 3 on the 3 numbers 12, 15 and 21. So your answer is LCM is 420 and the HCF is 3. Okay, getting everyone? Same thing you have to do in 2 number also. That means you have to find out the factorization of 17, 23 and 29. Let's see the 17, 23 and 29. If you will see that 17 is a prime number, 23 is a prime number and 29 is also a prime number. So you know that we cannot find out the prime factorization of any prime numbers. So 17 will multiply with 23 and 29. Okay, then you will get what? 11339. Okay, and then 1 will be the HCF. So your HCF is 1 and LCM is 1139. Okay, getting everyone? If you will see 3 number, here is given 8, 9 and 25. I have find out the factorization of 8, then I have got 1 into 2 into 2. I have find out the factorization of 9, that is 1 into 3 into 3, and I have find out the prime factorization of 1 into 5 into 5. Then if you will find out the LCM, then you will get what? 1800, and if you will get HCF, then you will get what? 1. So LCM is 1800 and HCF is 1. Okay, if you will see 4 number, it is very important question. Given that HCF 306 comma 657 is equal to 9 comma find the LCM 306 full stop. Okay, that means you have to understood the question first of all. The first number is given, that is first number is 306. The second number is given, that is 657, and HCF is given, that is 9. That means we have to find out the LCM. Okay, so we have to find out the LCM by the formula. The formula is first number into second number is equal to LCM into HCF. What is the value of first number? That is 306. What is the value of second number? That is 657. What is the value of LCM? We have not. Okay, so we have to find out the value of LCM. So write on directly LCM. Okay, what is the value of HCF? That is 9. If you will see, LCM is here. So we have to find out the value of LCM. Put LCM in one side and you have to send the next number, that is 9. 9, it is in multiplication. The multiply will change into divide. So 306 into 657 divided by 9 will happen. Okay. Then if you will solve, then you will get LCM is equal to 34 into 657. If you will multiply 34 into 657, then you will get what? 22338. Okay, this is your answer. Getting everyone? Let's see the 5 number. Check whether 6 to the power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Okay, if you will see, if a number ends with 0, then the prime factor must be what? 2 into 5. Okay, then we can write that 6 to the power n is equal to 2 into 3 to the power n. It is given in the question. Okay, so what the thing, 6 to the power n cannot be end with the 0 because its prime factorization do not contain the pair of 2 into 5. Okay, 6 to the power n, that is 6 to the power n, that means what? 6 to the power n, that means 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Okay, so it should be 2 into 5. If 0 we want 0, then it should be 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Okay, so 2 6 are 2 3s are 6 we are getting, there is no 0, and 2 5s are 10 we are getting, that is 0. So we can say that 6 to the power n cannot end with the digit 0 for any natural number. Okay, you can write checked here. Why? Because the question is saying that to check. Getting everyone? Let's see the sixth number, that is explain 7 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are the composite number. Composite number, that means what? The composite number can have more than 2 factors or 1 factors. Okay, see the first number, that is this one. Okay, 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Here is 13 is a common, so we will find out the 13 as a common number. So we can write 13 under bracket 7 into 11 into 1 plus 1. Okay, I have taken 13 as a common and I have written also. Okay, so 13 is a common number, so we have to solve the bracket one. Okay, 7 into 11 you will get what? 77, and here is plus 1, so if you will add 77 plus 1, then you will get what? 78. So 13 into 78 we have got. If you will find out the prime factorization of 78, then you will get what? 2 into 3 into 13, and the 13 we have already, so we can write 13 into 2 into 3 into 13. It is equation number 1. Okay, everyone? See the second part of the question, that is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Okay, if you will see, here is 5 can be taken as a common number. So I have taken 5 as a common number. Then what we will left on the bracket? 7 into 6 into 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1 should be here. Okay, if you will solve the bracket, then you will get 42 into 1 into 24 into 1 plus 1. Okay, if you will solve these all, that means 42 into 24 if you will do, then you will get how much? 108, and here is plus 1, so you have to add 108 to plus. Okay, then you will get what? 109, and you know that 109 is a prime factor number, that is prime number. Okay, so you can say that from equation number 1 and 2 we get that factor of first number and the second number more than 2 digit. Okay, so these numbers are composite number. Okay, so you can write as an answer that 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and the 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 are composite number, and it should be written explained. Why? The question is saying that explain. Okay, getting everyone? Let's see the 7 number. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at same point at same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? Okay, you will see the question, Sonia takes how many minutes? 18 minutes. If you see the question, then Ravi takes how many minutes? 12 minutes. Okay, first of all you have to understood the question, what the question want to say. There is a circular path. Okay, and Sonia and Ravi has starting to drive from the one point. Okay, the Ravi has started and the Sonia is also started. Okay, and they will meet in this same point at what time? The question is asking that. Okay, whenever we will get this type of questions, we have to find out the LCM. Okay, they meet after some time, so we have to take LCM given time. Okay, 18 and 12 we have the time. Okay, so we have to find out the LCM of 18 minutes and 12 minutes. If you will find out the prime factorization of 18, then you will get 2 into 3 into 3, that is 2 into 3 square. If you will find out the LCM of, that is prime factor of 12, then you will get what? 2 into 2 into 3. So we can write 2 square, that is 2 square into 3. Okay, so the LCM of 18 and 12 is 3 square into 2 square, that is 3 square 9 and 2 square 4, 9 4 is 36. I want to say everyone that the answer should be written on the bracket after the solution. Okay, as I have told you that I will upload the solution video of R.D. Sharma, the solution video of NCERT book, the solution video of R.S. Agarwal book also, and I will upload the video of the board paper with the solution. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and watch my videos regularly. Bye bye everyone. Thank you for watching my videos. Please